Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. I hope you're fine and doing well. Good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video effective and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different and latest collection, latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, much more stylish ideas. Hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle, fun straight hair. Some ideas with undercut. And so attractive collection of two short wave and curl on hair, curly hairstyle. And trendy ideas of messy hairstyle. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. Mostly overall ideas in undercut and shaved art in low maintenance hairstyling. And low maintenance hairstyle in messy and spiky hairstyle with beautiful ideas of undercut. But in today's my collection, some ideas in curly hairstyle and fine hairstyle. So beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. light brown, dark brown, black color, gray color. Some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, burgundy color in funky colors, different type of fruits. Some ideas in dark roots, some ideas in lightly roots. And very attractive ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. And many much more stylish and trendy collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. You look too gorgeous. Shorter style, change your looks. Younger, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. and peacefully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. Like Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.